Whenever I have to work from home, my cat helps me. Today, I'll show you how I would do it and the techniques my cat taught me in Altium Designer. Trick number 1. A quick way to create a polygon. If you have a board and you want to make a polygon like this, what would I do? I would choose the polygon tool and draw around the board outline. What would my cat do? He would open the polygon manager. There, he would find New Polygon From, and then select Board Outline. Next, he would choose the layer, Net, and press OK. This method allows you to quickly and automatically create a polygon on any layer precisely along the board outline. Technique number 2. If you need to create a clearance from the edge of the board, like here, what would I do? I would add 4 guidelines, 1 on each side, and then offset them to see how much I need to move the polygon, and then move the polygon accordingly. Here's what my cat would do. Open Design Rules, find Manufacturing, then Board Outline Clearance, and then create a new rule. Open it and set the correct copper clearance. Press OK, and then refresh the polygon. This applies to all layers, and you don't need to change each polygon and track the shape of the polygon. Altium will do it for you, simplifying the work and increasing efficiency. Trick number 3, one of my favorite tricks. If you need to swap 2 components, I move the first component to a free space and then position the components in their places. The cat says to do it differently. Select the first component, then the second. Right-click. Choose Component Actions, and in the menu that appears, select Swap Components. The components have been swapped. This is much more convenient and faster. Be sure to use this method. Did you know that in Altium Designer there is an array past? Suppose you need to place vias along a line. What would I do? I would take a via and place it at the starting position, then copy and paste the via onto itself. Find the x-coordinate and add the necessary distance. After that, I would start copying the vias in such a way that they line up along the line, then copy them along the y-axis. I can already see my cat's dissatisfied look. What would he do? He would add a via, then cut it out. In the Edit menu, he would find Paste Special, and in the new window, he would find Paste Array. He would set the necessary quantity and distance. Press OK, and then click the left mouse button at the starting position, after which he copied the holes along the y-axis. Now you too know that you can insert many copies of an element. There's a situation when a via is in one place, and when trying to send the board to the manufacturer, you see an error. What did I do in this situation? I would look at the coordinates and try to find the points where there are 2 vias, or start deleting them to find duplicated elements. I can already see my cat's dissatisfied look. Open the View Configuration panel. Select View Options. Find Via and set the transparency to 70%. Vias overlaid on each other will shine brighter, allowing you to detect elements overlaid on each other. Or just select all elements and you'll see that 2 elements at one point will shine brighter. Thanks to my kitten for the help. He will be interested to know what techniques you use in Altium Designer. Write in the comments. Thanks everyone. Goodbye.